has transpired over the last almost 24 hours now. Yesterday we had two matches in women's doubles involving two Korean pairs, Indonesian pair and a Chinese pair, where it was found by referees' reports and umpires' reports that they were not making best efforts. So there was an alleged offence. This was taken, that was reported to myself, and it was taken immediately to a disciplinary committee that have looked into the case and decided yesterday evening around 12 o'clock to open a formal hearing process where the players was called to a hearing this morning at 8 o'clock. There was 4 hearings for each of the pairs conducted from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock today. After that, the disciplinary committee deliberated over the hearing answers and the different evidence amongst, they had the video evidence obviously and reports from various officials, and they came to the conclusion that they found that there was a breach of the players' code of conduct, not making best efforts, and they furthermore found that it was to an extent that it was detrimental to our sport, which is clause 4.16 in our players' code of conduct. And so it was seen as a very serious case, and so there was a guilt found, plus that they then came to the conclusion that they only saw the outcome that they could disqualify the 4 pairs.
Is this unprecedented in